guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Today I have something very fun, easy, and budget friendly. I picked up this plastic toy sand shovel for $1 at Five Below, but Dollar Tree also sells them for $1.25. And I picked up 4 bunches of flowers for $1 at Dollar General. And you're also going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow. And I cut off about 4 inches off the stems of my picks from Dollar General. Next, we're going to tie a bow. This is very simple to make, so let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, go the other side, make another loop, check to make sure they're the same size on each side, go back to your first side, make another loop, check your loop size, and then just go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. And then you're going to want to have a zip tie close by to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. You can make this entire door hanger in less than 5 minutes. It's so simple and inexpensive. So here I'm just taking the zip tie, wrapping it nice and tight around the center of the bow. Then I'm going to trim off the zip tie shorter and dovetail the ends and then fluff the loops on my bow. To dovetail the ends, fold your tail in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side and cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up your bow. Then you'll want to open up your loops and shape your bow, and you'll want to use ribbon with wire. Next, we're going to be taking our flowers that I trimmed about 4 inches off the ends, and we're just going to make them into a little bouquet. And I just chose some pretty dainty flowers at Dollar General because the shovel is not very big. Now we're going to zip tie our little bouquet together. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please let me know. If you like these quick and easy tutorials like this, let me know and I'll try to do more. Now I'm taking a piece of floral wire, it's just 20 gauge floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie on my bow. Sometimes it takes just a little bit of time. So now I have the wire threaded underneath the zip tie on the bow. Now I'm going to take the bow wires, go just above the zip tie on my little bouquet, wrap that wire around the bouquet, going to give it a few twists on the back, and I'm going to use those wires to attach it to my little sand shovel. If you do not like your stems left long on your bouquet, you can always trim them shorter, but I like to leave mine long, and you can always reuse your flowers later if you would like to. Now I'm just taking the wires, going to the back of my little sand shovel, twisting it nice and tight around the sand shovel. Then I'm going to cut them off short and fold them down. Now I did add a little hot glue around the wire to make it stay in place, and then at the top, so my bouquet would not slide or move, I did add a small clear zip tie. To hang up this little door hanger, I just took some twine, made a loop, and then I just took some more twine and just wrapped it around the top of the little handle of the sand shovel. This sand shovel door hanger was so easy to make and so much fun. It turns out really cute, and it was so inexpensive. Took me less than 5 minutes to make, and around $5 is all it cost. Thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe.